Hello everyone, it's your boy OJ from OJ Online, and today I'll be doing the unboxing and getting my initial impressions from the Realme X7 Pro. As you can see here, it's also a 5G phone, and this variant I got, it comes with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of ROM. So let's get right into this. The first thing I noticed about the packaging is that it comes in this very bright yellow color. So right in here, what do we have? Okay, yeah, this looks like it comes with a free casing and some little bits of literature right there. Guess that's out of the way now. This is kind of flexible, but it's better than nothing. Guess that's out of the way. Nothing else in there. Okay, some more literature. So yeah, here we have the phone, the Realme X7 Pro. But let me get that out of the way for now and see what else we have here. We also get the Super Dart fast charger, and rated 65 watt, and according to their website, this is supposed to charge the phone from 0 to 100 in about 35 minutes. I'll test that later on to see exactly what numbers I'll get. Then I see there's also a free USB Type-C to 3.5mm dongle in here for your wired audio connections. And you also get the USB cord right here. Yeah, you can see it has this orange accent right there. And see, I guess that just goes with the general color code of the packaging and all. It also has a little bit of orange color there. And you see it has the same card ejector right there. So I guess now that's out of the way, let's get right into the phone. And the first thing I noticed about the phone is that it's quite light to hold. I think it weighs about 184 grams. And okay, let me just get this out of the way. So here we have the Realme X7 Pro in all its glory. The color I got comes with this Realme logo and branding right here. Realme, as you can see, Dare to Leap. It's a very nice, stunning color. As you can see, it does this rainbow reflection when it comes in contact with light, like this bluish and reddish kind of purple hue. You might not really notice it from the camera, but I assure you, if you ever get this phone, it's a stunning color. It will be one that will attract attention, that will definitely turn your heads. And I like the color, I like how it looks. So on the top we have the microphone there, and you have the secondary speaker right there. Then on the side you can see you get the power button. On the bottom side you get the same tray and the USB Type-C port, then the primary speaker there. On this side you see the volume rocker buttons there, and on the front side you can see a very tiny punch hole there for your selfie camera and photography. Yeah, on the back side it also has this glass here, Corning Gorilla Glass 5. So, and another thing I must say about this camera here is that it's not all that bumpy. The bump is just a very minor, slight one, so it might not really, yeah, it doesn't wobble at all. So I think that's nice. So Overall, I must say my initial impression about the phone is that it's quite handy and small. It feels very small and light to hold. I'll be taking my time to set up the phone and do a more in-depth review of the phone. And there you have it, guys, my unboxing and initial impressions of the Realme X7 Pro. Don't forget to subscribe. Do stay safe. Watch out for my upcoming videos. It's OJ Online signing out.